Today, 28th April 2021, the World Day for Safety and Health at Work. The International Labour Organization has very aptly set the theme of this year's World Safety and Health at Work Day as Stop the Pandemic, Safety and Health at Work Can Save Lives, which is indeed in the line with the nation's effort to increase awareness among employers and workers to prevent further control the spread of COVID-19 at the workplaces by making sure that complete safety and health measures are always implemented. Let's together save lives, anticipate, prepare, and respond to crisis.
What is COVID 19? Coronavirus disease 2019, also called COVID 19, is caused by a virus that can be passed from person to person. It first appeared in people in December 2019 and has quickly spread around the world. COVID 19 affects your respiratory systems, and some cases it can cause problems with your lungs like pneumonia. There is a lot out of there about COVID 19. Guidelines and recommendations are changing quickly as we learn more about the virus and how it acts. Trying to keep up with what to do and what not to do can be confusing and overwhelming. So let us break it down and let us talk about what is going on.
How does COVID 19 spread? The virus is spread through droplets. So, when an infected person coughs or sneezes, they project droplets of the virus out into the air. Those droplets then land on or are breathed in by other people. That's the most common way the virus can spread. Another way it can spread is when those infected droplets land on surfaces like door handles and elevator buttons. If a healthy person touches the surface that has droplets on it and touches their eyes, nose, or mouth, it's possible for them to get sick. These are gateways for the virus, so the less you touch them, the less chance there is for the virus to enter your body. That's why everyone keeps saying, don't touch your face. If the virus gets on your skin, like on your hand, you want to wash it off by using soap and water or hand sanitizer before it reaches your eyes, nose, or mouth. It may be possible for a person with COVID 19 to pass the virus to others when they aren't showing signs of being sick. This is called asymptomatic transmission. It often takes 2 to 14 days before people start to feel sick after being exposed to the virus. So, you could be getting other people sick without knowing it. That's why, when there are a lot of cases of COVID 19 in an area, leaders recommend staying home unless you really need to do something like get groceries. And if you are feeling sick, stay home and call your doctor. What are COVID 19 symptoms? Some signs of COVID 19 are fever, cough, body aches, and trouble breathing. Some less common symptoms of the virus include headache, sore throat, runny nose, problems with sense of smell or taste, nausea, and diarrhea.
Most people who get the virus will experience mild symptoms. Some people don't experience any symptoms at all. Most people, including children who get sick with COVID 19, can recover at home. But for some people, especially people who are 65 and above, people who have other health problems like lung diseases, conditions like diabetes, and heart diseases, and for people whose immune system or infection fighting system does not work so well, what should I do if I am feeling sick? If you are feeling sick or having a fever, cough, or having trouble breathing, call your doctor or look for urgent care facility. And if you are sick, cover your nose and mouth with a cloth mask, scarf, or handkerchief. It will help protect the people around you from infecting. Also, check with your National Health Agency on mask recommendations. When you call your doctor, he can tell you what to do next. For some people, they need to come in and be seen by a doctor, and for some others, they have to stay at home and limit their contact with other people. What should I do if I am worried I have been exposed? Your chances of exposure to the virus that causes COVID-19 increases if you are within 6 feet of someone who is infected, that is, about the length of a bed away from them, or you live in or travel to a location that has a lot of cases, or you had a crowded event with someone who is infected. If you think you are exposed to someone who has COVID 19 but aren't having any symptoms, call your doctor first or look for urgent care facility. They can tell you what to do next. If you think you might have been exposed and you have symptoms like a fever or cough, you should call before going to your doctor's office. Your doctor can tell you what to do and if you need to be seen in person. You had to come to hospital. You may be asked to follow special procedures like using a special entrance away from other people and covering your nose and mouth. It's important to know that currently there is no proven treatment for COVID-19, but doctors can help support your breathing and make you as comfortable as possible. Most people will not need to stay in hospital and will be able to make a complete recovery at home.
What can I do to stay healthy? Wash your hands with soap and water. Really, I know it sounds simple, but it has a great impact. Basically, it's because soap breaks apart the container that holds the virus. Once the container is opened, the virus just washes away with the water. For this to happen, you're gonna spend some time washing your hands and you need to scrub. You want to wash your hands for 20 seconds. That's the happy birthday song 2 times. You will want to rub your hands together, clean your wrist, fingernails in between your fingers, and dry your hands with a paper towel you can throw away. Lastly, turn the water off using the paper towel. If you have kids in your home, make sure they are washing their hands this way too. If you are in around the soap and water, use hand sanitizer that at least 60% of alcohol. What else can you do to stay healthy? You will want to keep your distance from other people. This is called social distancing, and you really want to stay away from people who are visibly sick or coughing. If you can work from home, and speaking of home, clean surfaces that you are frequently, clean doorknobs, countertops, your phone screen, and other items you touch a lot. Lastly, it's a good idea to limit travel to places that have a lot of COVID-19 cases. What doesn't help protect you against COVID-19? It doesn't help to hold your breath. If someone sneezes or coughs around you, the virus can be passed in multiple ways, so not breathing around people doesn't really do anything. How can I help to slow the spread? COVID 19 sounds scary, but there are some good things to keep in mind. For most people, COVID 19 is mild infection that is not life threatening. You can do a lot to keep yourself and others healthy by washing your hands and staying away from people who are sick, wearing a face covering, and practicing social distancing. Remember, if you are sick, stay home and call your doctor. By taking these practical steps, you can protect yourself.
Prevention is better than cure. So in order to prevent coronavirus, one should have to follow these instructions. First, cover your face with a face mask when you are in public and avoid close contact with anyone with cough, fever or difficulty in breathing. Second, maintain a social distancing of 2 meters. Third, wash your hands frequently with soap or use hand sanitizer.